Hello my dear friends, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you're watching Vish the Weekender. Alright, so after visiting the Zafargarh fort and camping there, this week I have come to Vizag city. It's a city all surrounded with nature. It has many beautiful beaches. It has hills and it's a very wonderful place. Then I thought, why not just explore the places around Vizag. So that's part of today's video. We are going to visit a beach which is known as Yarada beach. So it has been quite some time that I haven't visited this beach. So I'm not sure how things are around this place. I'm expecting that things must have changed. So let's see how it is going to be. The Yarada beach has been one of my favorite beaches that I have visited so far. So right now I'm traveling on Araku Vizag road. Araku is behind me. I'm going inside the city right now. So from the Eneri Junction road, I need to take a right and then travel for about 25 kilometers, I guess. So these roads, what you're looking at right now, it was planned quite differently. This is a 3-lane road. The middle lane is only for the bus. So the other 2 lanes is for the incoming and outgoing traffic. Honestly, I'm not sure what's the reason behind allocating this middle part of the road only to the buses. But I would say they would have divided that middle row into 2 parts and merge with the other 2 lanes so that the traffic can freely move. Because I've been seeing too much of traffic congestion, though there are 3 lanes. Okay, great. I'm glad that they have constructed this bridge because earlier it was a headache to pass this junction because right below this bridge is the place where all the 4 roads meet. The road from Hyderabad and the road from Vizag and the road from the railway station and the road from Araku would meet right below this bridge. So I think they have done a good job constructing this bridge. Okay, looks like the bridge is still under construction, so I think it's at the point of completion. Okay, time to move on. Man, this place looks totally different. So what it was in the past than what it is right now, it looks totally different. I think they are planning for an underground passage maybe. So right now I'm traveling on the highway which passes through the Vizag city. So I'm traveling towards Gajuwaka at this point of time. I think I'm going to be there in like about 15 minutes. And after crossing Gajuwaka, then I need to take a left and then go straight and then take a left and then go straight and then a left. And after that I'll have to drive up the hill. This seems to be a busiest road because the road from the port it joins this highway, and the road behind me comes from the city which goes towards Hyderabad. Alright, just got my car filled up. So it looks like the petrol price is expensive here than in Telangana. So the price is close to 89 rupees here per 1 liter. That's expensive, man. Okay, I'm driving very carefully because this road looks painfully busy. With blessings of Father. I really have no clue why there are too many signal lights on this highway, and that too on a highway. The entire highway is getting blocked. They could have set up merge lines. I think I'm going to have a break here on the highway. People just doesn't want to stick to their lanes. So what do? We advance in our lanes. Yep. see all hills up ahead. Whoa! We are climbing the hill now. I'm just loving this route, man. There are hairpin bends. I'm glad I chose to drive on this route. This is fantastic. Alright my friends, I was actually hoping to come early to this place, but looks like the time I was able to come here, it's already 5 p.m. so I still have a fair amount of daylight left. The constant soothing sound of the sea, the cool evening breeze, everything that we see and feel is proclaiming His greatness. The heavens are telling of the glory of God, and their expanse is declaring the work of His hands. For your righteousness, O God, reaches to the heavens. You who have done great things, O God, who is like you? Praise Him for His mighty acts. Praise Him according to His excellent greatness.